Filorga Sleep Lift, formulated with plasmatic lifting factors, is a nighttime face cream that lifts and repairs skin elasticity and density. Lifts and smooths skin overnight with a combination of collagen, hyaluronic acid, and cellular factors. Apply in the evening to a perfectly clean face. Massage to work into the skin. Experience an ultra-lifting night cream formulated with special ingredients derived from aesthetic procedures for a radical, age-defying appearance. Smoother features plus redefined volume. Included in a cream for the first time, Plasmatic Lifting Factors combine special ingredients, cell factors plus collagen plus hyaluronic acid, to visibly tighten facial features, provide a plumped look to the skin and sculpt facial appearance. Nighttime visible redensifying effect. Derived from skin research, an amino acid duo promotes an improved appearance of skin elasticity and density during the night. Top reviews from the United States. Best product. I have been using this product for many years. It was introduced to me in Madrid and I am happy is now available in the USA. I struggled with very sensitive skin and rosacea. This product helped me to reduce the problem and my skin is clean and free of redness. I recommend money well spent.